Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about buying a home or refinancing, today's update is full of positive signals for you. First, the big picture. Stocks are rallying, bonds are rebounding, and oil just broke under $74 a barrel. That's thanks to yesterday's Fed meeting and this morning's announcement that the US and Iran have signed a peace deal. That deal opens up the Strait of Hormuz and extends the ceasefire, which is helping push energy prices lower. Great news for inflation and indirectly for mortgage rates. Now, let's talk housing, which is what matters most to you. Pending home sales, which tracks signed contracts on existing homes, jumped a very strong 3.8% in May. That crushed the 0.8% expectation and marks 4 straight months of gains. Every region of the country saw increases. This shows real resilience and momentum in the housing market right now. On the rental side, the Cotality Rental Index rose 1.4% year over year in April. That's actually a slowdown from last year, which is another helpful sign that housing inflation pressures are easing. Mortgage bonds had a tough day yesterday, but are rallying hard today. They're still trading in a familiar range, but they've got room to move higher. The 10-year Treasury yield is back near where it was before the Fed meeting and is testing important support levels. Lower yields typically mean lower mortgage rates for you. On the Fed side, new chair Kevin Warsh ran a very impressive first meeting. The Fed left rates unchanged, stayed committed to the 2% inflation target, and Warsh is focused on using real-time data, improving communications, and making practical changes at the Fed. Markets had a mixed reaction to some of the projections, but overall the tone and the peace deal news are helping markets move in a borrower-friendly direction this morning. Bottom line for home buyers and homeowners. The housing market is showing strength, inflation indicators are cooling, and mortgage bonds are improving. This environment could support more stable or even slightly better mortgage rates in the near term. As always, things can change quickly with new data, but today's numbers give reasons for optimism if you're in the market for a home. Let me know in the comments, are you planning to buy soon or are you waiting for rates to drop further? Hit like if this update was helpful, subscribe for more straightforward mortgage and housing updates, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.